Hello students, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will be solving our next SQL problem, that is problem number 32. It says we have to retrieve the last five order for each customer ID. Basically, for each customer ID, we have to calculate the last five orders. Okay. Let's see how we will calculate it. Before that, let's have a look on the table. We have the order ID, we have customer ID, we have order date and amount. So we have the four things that in table in our database: order ID, customer ID, then the order date and the amount, right? Yes. So we have the inner query that says we have to select everything. Then what we are doing, we are applying the row number of a partition by the customer ID and order by the, okay. Firstly, I have to divide on the basis of customer ID. Here we can tell you one ID, 102, customer ID, not order ID. Customer ID for 111, we have this, okay. And for 222, rest is 222. Okay, so we have already partitioned by now. I have to order by different way on the basis of the order date. So one, every is one. So it is in that order. Like similarly, it is in that order. So first priority is this, then second, third, fourth, like this. One, two, three, four, five, right? Now I have to assign. What I have to assign the row numbers. What will happen? My first is 106. Then I will get 1. Then I will get the date, that is 30 months. Month is saying the one, so I'm writing the date only. Then I will get some amount. Okay, wait, let me get it again. Okay. So we have the order ID. Firstly, we have order underscore ID. Then we have the customer ID. Then we have order date, and then we have the amount. Then we have the RAM. Okay, then we have the RAM. For order ID, for the customer ID 1, okay. So order ID will be 106 and customer ID is 1. Okay. And order date is 30th. I'm just writing the date here. Then the amount is 50. Okay. So I have to take only 5. You can see here only I have to expect. Firstly, so I will do for every one. So my amount is 500, sorry. And because it has the maximum value, therefore I will rank it as 1. Then my next ID is 105. Customer ID is 1, then the date is 25, it's 220. Again, I will rank this as 2 because all the values are different. Okay. Then I have the ID 104, customer ID is 1, date is 20, and my value is 450, and I will assign this as 3. Then I have 103, okay, 102, and 101. Okay. So all the values are 111, dates are 15, 10, and 5. Okay. Then the values are 180, 300, and 250. Got it? I will rank it as 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Initially, I will calculate, I will evaluate, basically, I will transform my table from this to this pattern. Okay. I have only just did for customer ID 1. If you want to try it with 2, you can do it. So for 1, what will happen? I will firstly arrange on the basis of the order ID. So order ID in descending order. It's important to remember it's in descending order. So 30, the customer one who has order on 30 will be placed at first. Okay, so in descending order we are taking the order dates. So in this way we get it. Now we only want the 5 total last 5 orders. So we have put the condition here that wherever a rank is under or equal to 5, we have to take that. So what will happen? Only I am doing for the case one, for the ID one. So I will check, okay, 1 is less than 5, yes. 2 is less than 5, yes. Third, 3 is less than 5, yes. 4 is less than 5. 5 is equal to 5, right? So we have two conditions, yes. So all these value will be considered as an output and this row will be deleted. Okay, so we have this as an output. So what we actually did, firstly, we have ordered it on the basis of the uh, firstly, we basically divide. Okay, we divide on the basis of the customer ID. Then we order it on the basis of the on order date, right? So we use the descending function here, descending order by, right? Then after that, we apply the rank function that will assign the number to the value. And if we have the two same values, it will assign same and skip the other number. Okay. For example, if I have on same date, I have 30 30, so, it will assign 1 1 and skip the value 2 and it just moves to 3, right? But then what happened? Yeah. Then we assign the rank to everyone. Okay. Every table that is every entity that is present in our table. Then lastly, we have the where list where uh, condition here. There where the rank is less than or equal to 5, I will check the rank set. So if it is less than or equal to 5, we will take the value of that only and we will remove rest of the queries from our table. Got it? Okay, let's see here. Firstly, I have created the table named as order. Okay, in order I have order ID, customer ID, order date, and the amount. Okay. Then I put my values into the order table. Then, okay, if you want to see the result, the table is here. Okay, so I have the order ID, customer ID, order date, and some amount. Then we have the next file that is basically assigning the rank and then giving you top price or the last previous purchase for each item. Okay, so here we see we are getting this is value 30, 25, 20, 15. Yeah, it is arranged in descending order. Yes, then we have the further 15. We have only four entities. This pod will be the part of the solution. So it's assigned as 1, 2, 3, 4 as a rank. But it's very simple question. If you still face any issue while trying this, just comment it down. To like it, share, subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned.